Hey guys, David here and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, we have another amazing show for you today. XRP derivative market explodes 130%. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, one thing that I can tell you is you are going to want a reliable off-ramp when this space goes crazy, because during that last bull run when things went truly wild, a lot of these exchanges, their servers went down because they could not handle the volume. And do you think that they stopped trading, the market stopped trading while they were getting those servers back online hours on end? No guys, it didn't. And it was during that time that Judy and I decided that we were going with our digital asset broker, Caleb and Brown. And guys, this is Caleb and Brown right here. Now, the thing with Caleb and Brown is this: they are like any traditional broker. The only difference is you do not have to pay even 1 penny to open up an account with Caleb and Brown. In fact, you can talk to your assigned broker as many times as you like, and there's absolutely zero fee for that. And on top of that, should you decide to use Caleb and Brown's institutional grade custody to custody your assets, guys, there's not even a fee for that. The only time you pay a fee with Caleb and Brown is when you're buying or when you're selling. And guys, I will tell you what, it was a major comfort to be able to pick up the phone and talk to our broker when we really needed one. And guys, we've got a link right down in the description of every one of these videos where you can sign up with Caleb and Brown. And full transparency, if you use that link, they pay us a referral fee. But guys, whether you choose to use that link or not, you owe it to yourself to look into Caleb and Brown as a potential off-ramp when you're really gonna need one. So guys, if you haven't heard, XRP Unleashed, the documentary from Fruition Productions, is coming out, and they are having premieres right across the country. Now, Judy and I have been talking with Chris and Maya, the producers of XRP Unleashed, and guys, what they have planned for these premieres is truly something. Now, guys, right over here, this is the website for XRP Unleashed, and this link is going to be in the video down below. And guys, they are already selling out of some of these venues, and you can see they're in LA, and I think they sold out in LA, and this is the second one: Boston, New York, and Atlanta, Washington, Houston. And guys, look, they've sold out again on Arizona. This is truly something. And these seats are selling fast. Now, guys, I'll tell you what, it is not just going in to see an actual documentary and a movie. In fact, there are going to be many of the people in this community that you would know and see, like Digital Asset Investor. He's going to be at a few of these. Jake Claver, Black Swan Capitalist, myself, other people that were in the films. I'll tell you what, of course, Maya and Chris, the producers, are going to be there. Guys, this is going to be a big time event. Now, I'll tell you what, the fee for the ticket price is $39.99. And I've been to various conferences that cost hundreds and even thousands of dollars, where people can actually get out there and meet up with a lot of these influencers that are following, they're following and this and that. And guys, to get a ticket, to get into this, and to be able to rub shoulders and meet with these people and that type of thing, and directly face to face ask them the questions and all that, because they're going to have a question and answer there and all that kind of stuff. Truly amazing. And I sure hope that you get out into your area. And by the way, Judy and I have already bought our tickets for this Houston, Texas one. I know that Verson and Vandell, Black Swan Capitalists, they're going to be there. I know that Chris and Maya are going to be there. Jake Claver's going to be there. There's going to be a lot of people at this event right here. And guys, I can't wait to see you there. So if you haven't yet bought a ticket, guys, go to Fruition Productions, click on the order. And by the way, you can also pre-order the XRP Unleashed documentary. And if you do get the actual, in fact, let me just go in there just to see where that is, because I just want to see there. Yeah, the digital copy, there it is. You can pre-order it, $14.99. And when you do, guys, you're going to get to see the prologue, and it's really getting behind and supporting this community in such a big way. Guys, get out and get your tickets for this premiere, and I can't wait to see you there. Well, guys, I'll tell you what, with everything that's going on in this space, things are really, really heating up, and especially with a lot of these institutional players. Regardless of what all the fudsters are saying, boy, are they ever diving in deep. Now, guys, just check this article out right over here. XRP explodes 130% in volume as XRP price faces a crucial test. Just listen to this. The volume of derivatives on the popular cryptocurrency XRP soared by over 130% today, according to data from CoinGlass, as reported trading activity, mostly perpetual futures on the seventh largest cryptocurrency, jumped as high as $1.19 billion. Now, guys, I have pointed this out on numerous occasions. Do you think that this is retail? Well, we know that it's not, especially in this derivatives markets with these future contracts. And get this, that was more than double the amount traded the day before. At the same time, the cryptocurrency's turnover on the spot market also soared, reaching $1.3 billion, up 108.04% from Sunday, according to CoinMarketCap. Now, they're saying to assess whether this is a really big increase in trading activity, let's look at the ratio to volume market cap. Now, with a combined volume of $2.5 billion on both futures and spot markets and a market cap of around $30.94 billion, the ratio is 8%, which is quite high, but not an extraordinary level of trader engagement. Guys, it is not retail that is trading this. And the point that I want to make here is these multiple billions of dollars of trading for XRP. Now, a lot of folks come up, well, that's just selling. Well, guys, if it's selling pressure for everyone selling, someone else has to be buying, don't you? Well, guess what, guys? I want to show you who's actually doing the buying, and this is a major, major deal. Now, just take a look at this right here. XRP whale adds 52 million tokens amid breakout. The cryptocurrency market has experienced a notable upside rally in the past few days. Amid this rally, Ripple's native token XRP remained consolidating. On October 21st, 2024, the blockchain-based transactions tracker Whale Alert made a post on X that a crypto whale withdrew a significant 52 million XRP tokens worth $28.67 million from the Bybit cryptocurrency exchange. This massive token withdrawal following the breakout has shifted the sentiment from a downtrend to an uptrend. According to the expert technical analysis, XRP appears bullish as it has recently broken out from a prolonged consolidation phase. Despite this major breakout, it isn't confirmed whether this rally will continue or not. Well, nobody has a crystal ball, but I'll tell you what, guys, the fact that we've been able to hold all of these levels in the scrutiny that we're under, including the SEC and their, recent appeal, is really amazing. Now, based on the recent price action and historical price momentum, if XRP closes its daily candle above 57.8 cents, there is a strong possibility the token could rally by 20% to reach the 67 cent level in the coming days. Now, it says, however, XRP's bullish thesis will only hold if it closes a daily candle above that 57.8 level. Otherwise, it may fail. Now, listen to this. XRP's bullish outlook is further supported by on-chain metrics. According to the on-chain analytics firm CoinGlass, XRP's long-short ratio currently stands at 0.99, indicating a weak strength among traders, whereas its open interest has jumped by 3.9% and has been steadily rising. This rising open interest suggests builds-ups of new positions by traders. People are gobbling it up, and it's mostly these institutions and whales. Now, one thing I also want to show you is this right here, that XRP shows strength amid whale buying. And guys, listen to this. XRP oscillated near the 54.8 cents level after significant upticks in Sunday's trading session. Interestingly, XRP hasn't closed over 55 cents since October 1st, the day before the SEC filed an appeal against Ripple. According to sentiment data, addresses holding, now get this, 100 million to 1 billion XRP have amassed over 140 million tokens worth $77 million. Guys, look at who is doing all this buying. Who's gobbling it up? Well, it's these wallets that are worth millions and millions of dollars. And you think that they're putting all this FUD out there to kind of convince you and I over our hundred and some thousands of dollars of investment. Oh my goodness, you had better be aware, and on and on and on. When these guys are putting in tens of millions, it is truly staggering. Now, due to this increased holding, there are now roughly 10 billion XRP in these large addresses. The token has since stabilized amidst the recent cool-off in the crypto market. Analysts credit notable trends in whale accumulation for their optimistic outlook on XRP's comeback. The fact that XRP's funding rate is currently positive signals that a price increase is likely. Long-term investors may profit if this trend continues, as the price may approach higher resistance levels. Now, the relative strength index currently has a reading of 44, suggesting bearish momentum, but it is approaching oversold territory, indicating an impending rebound. The 50-day exponential moving average of 55.3 cents serves as a dynamic resistance, limiting upward movement for the time being. A clear breakout above 55 cents could result in more positive momentum, with gains potentially extending to higher resistance levels. Given the technical indicators and ongoing price consolidations, traders will be watching for a potential breakout opportunity. Well, guys, I'll tell you what, although I'm not a trader, I pay attention to what these guys are looking at because I am a long-term holder. And in the long run, I'm telling you what, do I ever believe we are going to see XRP literally blow the doors off of most folks' expectations. That's what I believe. Now listen to this right here. The forthcoming launch of Ripple stablecoin RLUSD is a significant move that will impact the ecosystem. RLUSD will be supported on the XRP ledger and Ethereum with a 1-to-1 peg to the US dollar. While stablecoins are typically used for value transfers rather than speculative investments, Ripple's collaborations with Bitstamp and MoonPay may increase liquidity and drive demand for XRP. Guys, this is a big deal. Market experts note that RLUSD's success will be determined by its acceptance among retail and institutional users, and they have already really broken some big ground in this space, guys, and they have brought on some major partners. Now, although the immediate influence of the stablecoins on XRP price may be limited, its launch is a strategic step to enhance Ripple's image and strengthen its foothold in the broader crypto community. Guys, it is a major deal, and we are seeing whale activity like no tomorrow. And this is where this derivative explosion is coming from. Guys, the billions of dollars that are being bought up here are being bought up by massive institutional players and whales. Now that speaks volumes, if you ask me, about what we can look forward to in this space. Because I'll tell you what, guys, do you think for 5 seconds that these institutions are throwing down billions of dollars hoping to see, tens of millions or hundreds of millions lost? Come on, guys. No, they're not. Now, something else that has just hit the paper, really, the press is really in a big time. Stuart Alderati has come out and really laid some stuff down with this SEC lawsuit. And listen to this. SEC didn't appeal key XRP ruling And that's not the end of the story. Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderati, confirmed that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has not appealed the court's ruling that XRP is not a security. The lawyer's comment was in response to the news that the SEC filed Form C civil appeal. Now, Ripple attorney James K. Filan confirmed that the SEC did indeed file the documents with the Court of Appeals. Now, James K. Filan, I believe, is following this Ripple case, but Stuart Alderati is the chief legal officer for Ripple, and he says no surprises here. Once again, it has been made clear the court's ruling that XRP is not a security and is not being appealed. That decision stands as the law of the land. And he says, stay tuned for Ripple's Form C to be filed next week. Guys, we know that this is a big time deal. But the fact that Stuart Alderati has come out and literally confirmed is saying it is not an issue. XRP not being a security is the law of the land. And why is that such a big deal? Well, guys, it means all these exchanges aren't delisting it. That's what it means. It means that you're not going to see these institutional players backing off. In fact, they have plowed forward with 3 different ETF applications before the SEC for XRP. Guys, we are seeing some major activity. And although the rinky-dink day-to-day price action does not actually reflect what's happening on behind the scenes, guys, one of these days, I literally believe, and it's always been like that. It's like a compressed spring, and XRP has been like this in the past, tinkering along, until one day, bam, off to the races she goes. And I'll tell you what, most of the people that literally are out there fighting it and this and that, and there were people that capitulated in those moves and literally missed out on some of the biggest gains that this digital asset space has ever seen in history. XRP in 2017 was the best performing asset there was. And even in 2020 to 2021, when it literally sank down there to the bottom at 17 some cents, within 4 months, they had a 1,200% return to $1.97. That is truly phenomenal. And get this, never has it ever, never not once, even with all the SEC's lawsuit, has XRP ever lost or ever left the top 10 for market cap in the entirety of this digital asset space. Is that not phenomenal? Guys, I'll tell you, Judy and I, we have put in countless hundreds of hours and have been investing in XRP way before the lawsuit has even happened, and have continually been accumulating because, guys, we are looking down the road. And I encourage you, as I do all the time, get out and really research it for yourself, because I'll tell you, I think an amazing day is going to come, and it's going to leave most people absolutely gobsmacked when this thing literally breaks through the atmosphere and absolutely flies right into outer space. Guys, I'll tell you what, I cannot wait. So guys, one thing that I can tell you is you do not want to sleep on this market, because when it takes off, it can happen on a dime. And that is why it is so vitally important that you get your plan in place. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com, and we'll get y'all booked in. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.